steal our money by not uniting as Africans. When we, the people, the civilians, unite, Africans, whether you're from Kenya, South Africa, Congo, Rwanda, Nigeria, when we, the people, start to take ourselves seriously, we start to consider our own, we accept one another as African brothers and sisters.
What's the obsession, as you just heard, about Africa unity, when even within our communities, we have not achieved the unity? Listen up. Before we can think of a unity of 55 countries. Yes, that's right. The continent of Africa is 55 countries, according to the Africa Union, not 54 countries, according to the UN. It's a huge, massive territories. And we know there are many complex historical situations that makes that unity not palpable. At least not yet. I believe in our continent. I am perhaps one of the proudest African you will meet in every sense. And I can say this because even though I'm from Rwanda, I was born in the Democratic Republic of Congo. Yeah, where some of people don't seem to be wanting Rwandans there. Story for another day. And I lived in Kenya, Nairobi. And now with my startup, I connect with people in countries in Africa. I think I'm close to 30 countries in terms of people I've met. And so, geographically, Africa, it's already divided. I think in the north of Africa, Libya, Morocco, Tunisia, they have a different perspective on what Africans in Egypt. In fact, Egypt is considered to be Middle East, even though geographically it's located on the corner of Africa. You see what I'm getting at? Now, Sub-Saharan Africa, where I am, wow, DRC. I mean, do you see DRC and Rwanda? I don't know. They're just the perception. And in South Africa alone, we saw the situation with Chidima, Miss now Nigeria. Congratulations. I would love to see that. Now, my focus is on the global African diaspora, and this is where my strength is in terms of raising awareness in the global African diaspora where I am, from Canada point of view. I mean, our people just meet when it's time to go party. Rarely we meet to come together, share ideas, and really connect, interact, and unite. No. I'm not saying it's impossible that Africa unity. It will just take a while, and it may never happen. What we can do though is this: we as Africans, I'm not so much about Africa uniting, but we as Africans, at least those who are willing, we should find a way to work together and not just in, on the continent of Africa or the diaspora, anyone of African descent, join the movement. Africa unity, though, is a long way to go.